Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix a Roblox white screen issue when joining a game or when you're on Roblox Studio. So what you will have to do is you have to make sure to listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So first, you will close your Roblox completely and clear your browser cache if using a browser. And then what you will have to do is check that your graphics drivers are updated on PC, and then you can try switching browsers or using the Roblox app instead of the web version. So, for example, you could also choose this web browser if you want, or you can use Firefox so that you will be able to run Roblox smoothly. And after that, by the way, you could also disable your browser extensions that may block scripts or content. And finally, if this issue persists, you will just have to reinstall your Roblox or try on a different device like your tablet, your iPad, your cell phone, or whatsoever. And by the way, on mobile, you could also make sure that your Roblox app is updated and you have enough free storage so that you will be able to load the game smoothly. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.